Shocking animal facts and how they happen. Keycap 1 octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. How does it work? Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. When an octopus swims, its main heart stops beating to save energy. Why is their blood blue? Unlike humans, who have iron-based hemoglobin, octopuses use hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule that turns their blood blue. Keycap 2 the wood frog can freeze itself and come back to life. How does it happen? During winter, up to 80% of the water in its body freezes, and its heart completely stops beating. The frog remains in a frozen state for months, with no breathing or brain activity. When spring arrives, its body thaws, and it returns to life as if nothing happened. Keycap 3 dolphins sleep with half their brain awake. Why does this happen? Unlike humans, dolphins need to stay conscious to breathe and watch for predators. They sleep with one hemisphere of their brain at a time while the other remains alert. After a few hours, the sides switch so both halves of the brain get rest. Keycap for the immortal jellyfish never dies. How does it work? The species Turritopsis dohrnii has a unique ability. When under stress or injured, it transforms its adult cells into a juvenile state. This process allows it to restart its life cycle, making it biologically immortal. It can repeat this process indefinitely, effectively avoiding natural death. Keycap 5 zombie ants controlled by a deadly fungus. How does it happen? A parasitic fungus called Ophiocordyceps infects ants by entering their bodies through spores. It releases chemicals that take over the ant's brain, forcing it to climb a high plant and attach itself. Once in position, the fungus kills the ant and sprouts from its body, spreading more spores to infect other ants. Keycap 6 birds can see colors humans cannot. Why is this possible? Birds have special cone cells in their eyes that allow them to perceive ultraviolet, UV, light, which humans cannot see. This ability helps them find food more easily. Recognize potential mates based on UV patterns. Detect urine trails of prey, which reflect UV light. Keycap 7 cows have different accents based on their region. How does it work? Cows communicate using vocalizations, and studies have found that their moos sound different depending on their environment. Just like human languages develop regional accents, cows adjust their calls based on the sounds they hear within their herd. Farmers in different regions have reported noticeable differences in how their cows vocalize. Keycap 8 male seahorses carry and give birth to babies. Why does this happen? Unlike almost all other animals, male seahorses have a special pouch where females deposit eggs. The male carries the eggs inside his body, providing oxygen and nutrients until they hatch. Once the babies are fully developed, he gives birth by expelling them into the water. Keycap 9 crocodiles can survive more than a year without food. How is this possible? Crocodiles have an extremely slow metabolism, which allows them to survive on very little energy. They can slow their heart rate to just a few beats per minute, reducing their need for food. When food is available, they store extra fat in their tails, which they can use later for energy. Keycap 10 dogs can smell diseases like cancer and diabetes. How does it work? A dog's sense of smell is 100,000 times stronger than humans. They can detect chemical changes in a person's body, including those caused by cancer or fluctuating blood sugar levels in diabetics. Medical studies have shown that trained dogs can identify cancer cells before symptoms appear, making them valuable for early diagnosis.